guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. Apologies if you can't really hear me today due to the wind. We've got Storm DARRAGH hitting us now. We've been seeing up to 50, 60 mile an hour gusts at present. You can just see it. Back here. Yeah, big gust there. Catch some of these. Unfortunately, the greenhouse glass broke here, guys, over the princeps. And looks like we're due a bit more wind for the rest of today. But just to show you what some of the wind's been doing to the garden here. No real damage on the plants this far, but as you can see, it is really kind of pulling on some of the pollen. Alright guys, I think we're going to leave it here. If we get any more severe gusts, I'll come back out and show you. But for now, everything still seems to be alive and standing. Hopefully we don't lose anything due to the winds here, guys. But for now, of course, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.